They all popped out at the same time.
That's a cool
little
bird.
We're like,
They're so big on their heads. You think they're like sharks or something? I want to take a picture to show how many turtles there were.
I have so many pictures of these turtles. It's kind of funny.
Done with the turtles.
There's so many turtles. All of those little heads are turtles. Look at all of the turtles. I thought there was a sign that said don't feed them.
Did it say that?
There was one that said don't feed the birds.
Well, they can't see.
Oh my god. Oh my god. They're attacking the bread.
There's a hopping spider.
Heck is cool.
But if you put a piece of bread just right on the edge, they'll come out and